everyone. Today we will be unboxing a new fire alarm pull station. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, so today I'm going to be basically unboxing this new pull station. So it's not going to really be an unboxing video, but you know what I mean. Taking it out of the package or whatever you call it. So today I got this Ames pull station, which I got from eBay from Fire Alarm Dude 5167. You guys may know his YouTube channel, and I bought this Ames pull station. So I'm now going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, I did black out all the labels so that you guys cannot see it. I also kind of cut this thing so it was nicely wrapped in this newspaper, which is good because it can protect the pull station. Okay. And here we go. So as you can see, here is the Ames pull station. Oop, right here. So it's brand new. It comes with a key and some mounting hardware. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this tape off. Okay. We also have an instruction manual, which is really good, which is really cool. And here's the pull station. So as you can see, it is in brand new condition. This is a key operated only pull station. You guys may have seen some of these in my other videos. I have a simplex version. Now in comparison, here are both of the pull stations. To the left, that's the pull station. I already had a simplex pull station. And on the right, here's my Ames pull station. So there really isn't too much of a difference other than it's metal and they're two different brands. Well, this one's plastic, this one's metal. Both of them say key operated only, which is really cool. I really like these pull stations just because they're really unique. You don't really see these out in a building unless you're like in a, in special applications like a hospital where you don't want people pulling the alarm, or in prisons or in jails where they don't want people pulling the alarm. They would install one of these and somebody would have a key to open it. So very simple to wire up. There's 4 wires here. As you can see, pigtail leads. And I'm going to open the station. Okay, so I just found the key, so I'm just going to open the station. As you can see, here's the inside. There's a little button right there. There's the Ames security brand, as well as the model number. Listed 277 volts, but this alarm should be able to be used on my panel because these pull stations can be used in a variety of different applications. But yeah, this is pretty cool.